a little excited by this one, folks. This is a little Minicab aircraft. I wasn't sure he was going to fly over straight above my head, but he has. Been tracking him for a while. Little aircraft. Never ever seen one before. Got a lot of noise around me today because I've got the gardeners cutting grass and trimming next door. That was brilliant. So if you're the owner of this little aircraft, pop in the comments and say hello. Quite a good little spot that. Well happy with myself on that one. It's a beautiful bright day, but it is on the chilly side. It is November. This probably won't go live until February time. So yeah, please just punch for this one. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Give it a thumbs up. Cheers.